बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students, we start exercise 2.2 and the first question is find the cube roots of -1, 8 and -27 and 64. Now I find only -27 and 64 on the same basis, on the same case you will find the yourself the cube roots of -1 and 8. Now first we take this. Now solution let a number be x, x be the cube root of unity of -27. It means right here x is equal to -27 power 1/3. Taking cube on the both side, it means you write here x3 and also -27, this 1/3 you will also write cube there, and x3 is equal to, this will cancel this, you have only -27. Now this -27 will go to the left side. We write here x3 plus 27 is equal to 0. Now we write in the form of a cube plus b cube, and write the formula a plus b into a square minus ab and plus b square. We have learned in the class 9th. Now write here x की power 3 plus 3 की power 3 is equal to 0. By using this formula we write this is equal to x plus 3 and x square minus 3x and plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we write this x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to -3. Now this is the first root, and here we use the, now x square minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. We use formula, quadratic formula we use here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we comparing both sides, comparing both equation and get. Now a is equal to 1 and b is equal to -3 and c is equal to 9. Now we have formula is equal to -b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now this is our formula, and we put the values in this and we get the answer. X is equal to minus and -3, this is b, plus minus -3 square minus 4 into a1 into c is 9, this over 2a, 2 multiplied by 1. Now is equal to x is equal to 3, this minus plus minus, and round right here 9 this, and minus 36, and 4 9s are 36 over 2. Now again we write x is equal to 3 plus minus under root we multiply by minus 27, and we write here over 2. The next step will be x is equal to plus 3 minus, and we write this minus 27 like this. Here minus multiply by 9 multiply by 3 over 2, and x is equal to 3 plus minus, we take the square root of this 9, write here 3 and outside of this radical sign, and again minus 1 multiply by 3 over 2. Now we know that minus 1 is equal to iota square. Now put here iota, x is equal to 3 plus minus 3 and iota square and multiply by 3 over 2. Now again x is equal to this 3 plus minus 3 and iota square, it is also under the radical sign as second root. We write the iota only outside of radical because iota square. Now write here iota, and inside of the is we write 3 only over 2a. Now we we write this x is equal to, we know that iota is equal to minus b minus 1 plus minus 3 iota over 3, we write over 2. Now we write this in this form. Now we take 3 as a common from this, and we write the 3 common, only 1 here, plus minus iota under root 3, and write this over 2. Now we want to this minus 1, we write here minus 1. It means we write x is equal to minus, outside this minus multiply, and minus also we write this minus plus. It means minus 3, and also write multiply by this minus 1 like this, and 1 plus minus iota under root 3 this, and over 2. Now write here this x is equal to this minus we write here, and we write again this minus will multiply this 1, and we write minus, and this minus multiply this, and we write here plus minus again iota under root 3 over 2. Now we know that is equal to, we write in 3 forms, x 2 form, x is equal to, and this minus 3, and we write only minus and plus iota 3 over 2. Now it is our iota. We write this x is equal to minus 3, not iota, 3 omega. Now 3 omega. We write this omega because we write here this. We write again omega is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota 3 over 2, and omega square is equal to minus 1 and minus this. This is not this is only plus, and minus this iota and under root 3 over 2. Now we write this omega because this is equal to omega, and the second is omega square is equal to minus 3 x is equal to minus 3, and this minus 1 minus iota and under root 3 over 2. Now this portion is omega square. Now x is equal to minus 3 omega square. Now the roots of the cube roots of 27 are minus 27 are 3 and minus 3 omega and minus 3 omega square. Now this is the answer of this question. Now we write the 24. Now we solve the 64. Find the cube roots of 64. Let this x, let a number x be the, let a number x be the roots of, x be the cube roots of, be the cube roots of 64. Now this, we write this x is equal to x3 is equal to x is equal to 64 and cube root is 1 over 3. We're not taking the cube on the both side, taking cube of the both side we get x3 and also write here 64 power 1 by 3 and also write here 3 will multiply this 3, we have only 1. You write here x3 is equal to 64. Now this 64 we move to the left side, x3 minus 64 is equal to 0 here. Now we write this is equal to x over 3 minus 4 over 3 now is equal to 0. Now we solve this and we have known the formula a3 minus b3 is equal to a minus b and a square plus ab and plus b square. Now this is the formula we have learned in class 9th. Now we write this x minus 4 and x square minus 4x and plus 16 is equal to 0. Now here either x minus 4 is equal to 4 and or x square minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now here we use the formula, quadratic formula, and find the roots of other two roots of this 64. Now again we write here x square minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we write ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is plus this is plus not negative. This in case of this is also plus here, also plus, and we write this plus and bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 16. Now put the formula in this value. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus 4 is 6 2 and minus 4 into a and into 16 over 2a, 2 multiplied 1. Now we write here x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 4 is 16 and minus 64. 4 16 is 64 over right over 2 is equal to x is equal to minus 4 and plus minus we write this 64 right and 64 minus 16 8 and 5 4 and right here minus 48 over 2. Now again write x is equal to minus 4 plus minus, we write this minus 48 in this form, minus 1 and also 16 threes are 48 over 2. Now first of all we write this minus 4 and 16, we wrote square root of 16 is 2 is 4 and plus minus 4 times, we write the 4 outside of this and we write this again minus 1 into 3 multiplied by 3 over 2. Now again x is equal to minus 4 plus minus this 4 and we know that minus 1 iota square is equal to minus 1 and you write here iota square multiplied by 3 over 2. Now x is equal to minus 4 and plus minus 4 iota, this iota will come out from the radical sign and you write only 3 under the radical sign over 2. Now you take 4 common from this, x is equal to this 4 common and write here minus 1 plus minus iota over 3 over 2. Now we write like this in the first plus, it will be equal to omega, and with minus we write omega square. Now x is equal to 4 into this minus 1 and plus iota under root 3 over 2. Now this omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota under root 3 over 2. Now this, and we write this x is equal to 4 omega. Now the second roots will be, we solve this and it is also equal to x is equal to minus 4 and minus 1 and minus iota under root 3 over 2, and now this is equal to omega square. We have learned in before exercise, you see in the before this exercise 2.2. Now omega square is equal to minus 1 minus iota over 3 over 2. Now we write here x is equal to 4 omega square. Now this, our roots are 4 and 4 omega, 4 omega square. Now these are roots of this question, this part, and next remaining two parts you will do yourself.